Hello and welcome to this Logic2DAY Embedded news channel brought to you by Logic Technology. Today's Logic2DAY news includes exciting and innovative news from around the world, news which embedded developers can't afford to miss. Starting with today's breaking news messages. Siemens VDO Automotive uses Datalight's Flash FX Flash Manager and the Reliance Failsafe file system to eliminate the risk of data loss in their latest wireless GPS tracking systems. The Siemens VDO GPS system is now widely used in Germany. AITA, the French telecoms manufacturer, has deployed the ScanWorks boundary scan system and shares licenses between factories 800 kilometers apart. Thanks to Asset Intertek's superior boundary scan solutions, companies such as AITA, Motorola, Barco and many others have significantly improved their test coverage. Siemens Automation and Drives is now ready to launch a new series of industrial notebooks based on Inside Software's implementation of the EFI framework. The EFI framework is promoted by market leaders such as Intel and AMD. The Inside Software EFI solution is the preferred solution in Logic Technology's European customer base. And lastly, embedded software and debug tool specialist Logic Technology has expanded its operations in Europe by opening an office in Munich. According to our spokesman in Munich, this move is a win-win situation for Logic as well as its customers and partners. Coming up next is embedded news from our correspondents around the world. Due to disturbances in the atmosphere, we unfortunately are unable to show live video today, and we will instead switch to audio interviews. Hello and welcome to this Logic2DAY Embedded news broadcast. You're now live on air and we would like to ask you a few questions regarding the specific Logic solutions you're offering to embedded developers in Europe. Would you please introduce yourself to our audience?
My name is Larry Traylor. I'm the Chief Executive Officer at American Arium, located in Tustin, California in the United States.
Welcome, Larry. We heard about some breaking new technology you recently announced. Please can you describe the technology you developed?
The technology we developed is based upon close to 30 years of experience in debugging embedded software. With the increase in the use of Linux in so many different embedded applications, our engineers came up with a unique solution for debugging the Linux kernel as well as application-level software all in one seamless environment. Making all this available in one debugger and in one environment at a very affordable price is entirely unique to our industry.
And what is the advantage to embedded developers?
Well, anybody who is developing embedded systems in Linux will save a lot of time if they're working on an ARM core during the deep phase of their product development by having an environment where they can debug from the application seamlessly right down into the driver without having to synchronize the debug environment. This will help them become more competitive. And
when will the product be available, Larry?
Our solution has been available for about a year and was recently improved. It's used by major customers around the world and in Europe, and is available from Logic Technology.
Well, thanks a lot, Larry, for this exciting news from California. In Logic Technology's recent press conference, their spokesman commented that Logic Technology add lots of additional value to this product range by offering Linux and WinCE development kits, off-the-shelf CPU modules, data security software components, as well as development and consultancy services.